Applied loft, going to the breeder, starting to separate already, almost all breed. Look at some babies in there. There's some of the babies. A couple outside. About 20 something in here that is December 12 hatches. They came fly. If you're wanting, you know, hawk and grab the wing, I think. Come here, baby. Yeah. Nice babies came out. Plenty young ones. After all said and done, probably about 80 babies. These are all the youngest ones, about a month. They're just starting to go out. They're in the traps already. The one's cooling is the month of December 12 hatches. Come, girl. Come. Come, up. Come. Come here. Come here. Good girl. She's a sweetheart. Come. Go and tuck Daddy's shoulder. Yeah, I'll get it after. Hold on. And yes, some of the breeders are starting to separate. I actually get the cocks and hens together for now till I can remove the other sides. So the laying and strong leg. A couple of my daughter-in-law's tumblers, and I don't know what the hell that is, but that's just for not. Mine ended up mating their tumblers, so she like have the babies and then they're going out of the cage. She's crazy. Cocks and hens all in here. All my main breeders. And here get some more. What I'm gonna do is stop breeding my plums because I already get 80 of them. So I get my line strong. And I'm gonna breed my imports only. That's all my imports from Yosani. So far I get 2, 4, 6, 8 babies so far from them. And a couple on eggs. So I pretty much gonna concentrate on them. They're really nice pages. I cannot wait to fly them. There's 2 youngsters right there. There's my plums in there. Was tough in the beginning trying to get them for go, but got them going breeding now. So. So my mass space right there. See them, the babies, they come to the daddy and get fed. Come on, honey. Come here. Come. Oh, come here. What do you say? Nice baby. These guys will get hit from the hawk. Pretty bad. It'll be alright. Watching them mature, real nice they come. Nice colors. They're very, very healthy. Even if they're scrunching down like that, they're only doing that because I'm in here. They're extremely healthy. These 2 right here is nest mates. The 2 mass mates. Some will come out plumb, some do. But at least I get for my bloodline, I don't even worry now. All these birds are kind of old already, so. Right here is the 11th flight. My raven's about 10, almost 11 years old. Her daughter's got babies there. Her other daughter got babies there. These guys. It's the babies off the red. Her right now.